Okay, guys, I had to scrap everything that I showed you after school today. This is going to be much easier to deal with, I think. Here's the purple team sheet. If you look down at the bottom, there's a purple team times. There's one for the gold team as well. So where we put all the times in. Still, working the same way, you are going to go in and type in your team rosters. The first name that you type, and yeah, is going to show up, moving forward. It's going to capture that, and it's going to move those names over here automatically. We're going to, these yellow ones that are highlighted right here, after I talked to Haley about it, we're just going to use that as the honors times. So, they'll automatically fill. What you have to now pay attention to is when you have Bob Thomas's group in your room. So if Madeira has Bob Thomas's group, that's where she types the time, and that's what she worries about. Whenever Bob Thomas's room goes to Barovi, that's where she'll type it. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory after that, but we just got to make sure we're hitting in the right place. And it will populate all the way down through here, all of the teams all the way down. You don't have to worry about where it goes. Whenever you type in your team name or your team name for your thing, it will automatically fill that in that first slide. It'll take them all and put them in there, and you don't have to worry about it. So there's one for the purple team, there's one for the gold team. So just look for your name across the bottom and put the names in there. And I would say, honestly, that first name I would put first and last in case we've got two duplicates or whatever. I don't know what that looks like, how many duplicates we might have, but just in case, let's put all of those, at least that first line in first and last name. When you put the time in, you put the number, the colon, and the number, and it will begin to calculate that. It will do all the math over here on this side. It should work out to give us a total of the time that they spent working at the end. Don't think that's going to be a problem, but it might. I'm going to test it later on tonight, and I'll make adjustments to this if it needs to be fixed. So just please type in your rosters in the morning when you get here. And try not to type in weird places, so that I may have things set up in weird places that you don't see happening. So just type in times and type in names on the other pages, and we should be good to go. Guys, I'm really excited about this. I'm sorry that I pulled you into something that was as complicated as I have made this, but welcome to what the inside of my brain looks like. So do really love you guys. I'm really, really glad to be back a part of this team again this year. So I hope you're all ready for in the morning, and please call me tonight or text me if you have any questions or need clarification or need anything at all, and I'll see you in the morning. Thanks, guys. See you.